हेलो एवरीवन। आज हमारे साथ जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन के तीन स्टूडेंट हैं। वो आपको इस कोर्स के बारे में बताएंगे और इसके बेनिफिट्स के बारे में बताएंगे कि ये कोर्स आपको क्यों लेना चाहिए इस यूनिवर्सिटी में। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं एक इंट्रोडक्शन से। आप अपना अपना नाम बता दीजिए।
My name is Suvidi Jain.
और आपका नाम?
Yeah, I'm Rishi Bhushan.
I'm Simranpreet Kaur.
अच्छा, तो मुझे आप ये बता सकते हैं आप किस ईयर से बिलोंग करते हैं, मतलब किस ईयर में हैं?
Yeah, I'm in second year, fourth semester.
Second year.
सेकेंड ईयर से। मुझे आप ये बता दीजिए कि आप कहाँ कहाँ बिलोंग करते हैं, लाइक आपको पता कैसे चला था इस यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में?
Normal marketing जो यूनिवर्सिटी करती है through newspapers वगैरह, and personally I got to know about university through my friend who had already enrolled at university in the computer science engineering course. So I always wanted to pursue media as a career, media and communications. So then we visited the university and the infrastructure, the professors. We met with the professors. It was amazing experience in the first time only. So we decided to go forward with Bennett University.
So one of my friend told me about Bennett University, and I talked to my parents about it. Then we visited the campus. As he said, the infrastructure. We met the faculty as well. So they guided us through the course and all the things that we will get to know here. So yeah, that made us choose Bennett.
Yeah, adding to their point, through social media and through newspaper, also the legacy of Times Group and the rich media course that emphasize on the media industry and more journalism and mass communication area. So yeah, that's why we chose them.
अच्छा, जब हम मीडिया लेते हैं ना तो हमारे माइंड में ये होता है कि जो करंट में जो इशू चल रहे हैं उससे हमें अवेयर होना चाहिए। हमें राइट? ठीक है, मुझे आप ये बता दो, आप अवेयर है तो इशू से, वो बात ठीक है। स्टूडेंट लाइफ एंजॉय करते हो?
Of course, student life enjoy करना, I mean college है तो student life भी enjoy करते हैं, but at the same time, being a mass communication student, we also try to balance and prioritize our assignments and projects at the same time.
Yeah, I think Bennett has a rich college life compared to other colleges in India and vicinity. The fests that we have Euphoria, we get Sporticon. So like the Bennett caters to every requirement and every needs. If you want to play sports, you want to do this, you want to do that, music, there are different kind of events, lots of club. Each and every club has to do a event annually. So there's no dearth of event. And again, as she said, we need to balance out where we do events. Like I'm also in clubs, committees, so I need to balance out when I am doing the assignments, when I'm doing the club work. So yeah, it accounts to both academic and college life.
Fest as well, Sporticon every year.
As media students, as both of them mentioned, that we have to balance out our assignments also. So we enjoy the fests also while covering the events. So that is how we balance out things.
अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, मतलब स्टूडेंट लाइफ भी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, मुझे आप ये बता दो इस कोर्स की ना फीस कितनी होती है और स्कॉलरशिप का क्या सीन है?
Luckily, मुझे तो 50% scholarship मिली है because I was a bright student in 12th standard. So yeah, that's what my.
लकी लोग होते हैं।
Even I'm also on 50% slab. So yeah, I think fees is a factor. So we have but Bennett gives scholarships to every kind of people. We have scholarships. There are different slabs of scholarships catering to the how bright you are. Then again, there are scholarships for women. There are scholarships for underprivileged. So all in all, we get to see diverse kind of people coming from diverse financial backgrounds. That helps us to get ready for the world where we will see another different kind of.
So I'm on 40% scholarship, and talking about the fees, as you mentioned, it is a factor, but I think Bennett gives you much more than fees that you give. The experience, the college life, the fest, the academics, and the exposure that we get for the industry. So I think the fees is worth the cost. Yeah.
One point that I would like is return on investment. Even though Bennett has a substantial amount of fees, but just look at the infrastructure, the opportunities, and at the end of the degree, the kind of placements we are getting placements in top companies, we are getting placements in unicorns and in media sector, which if we compare it to the other universities, there are not lots of jobs coming in. But last semester only, we were able to place, me and Suvidi are on the placement board of Times School of Media, and through our team and help of our professor Ms. Shruti Jain, we were able to place 100% of the students. So it is something unprecedented, and all the students went into companies that are top at whatever they do, at Factors PR, Ogilvy, McCann. So yeah, return on investment is really high.
अच्छा, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट तो ये हो गया, लेकिन मुझे ना प्लेसमेंट का बता दो और ना इंटर्नशिप का बता दो, कैसे लगती है यहाँ पर इंटर्नशिप? ठीक है, लगी है कि आपकी नहीं लगी है, और प्लेसमेंट का क्या सीन है यहाँ?
So, talking about the internship, we have a separate semester for that. After doing the 5 semester rigorously in the campus, to gain the more industry insights and to be the industry ready, Bennett Times School of Media offers a separate semester. That is our last semester for our internship. We go for internship, we gain insight, we gain industry knowledge, and then after it's up to you whether you want to take it as a job. Then you can continue in the same company, or if you can elevate or get in a much more higher, then you can also opt for that.
So, like I touched upon internship in my last segment. So, like we are getting internship. We have 6 months for internship, and we can also go for a summer internship. The forms are open right now, so we will enroll in it. And as I said, we are getting internship at top places, and now it's up to us to convert those internships into job, which I think our students are doing really well out there. We're getting positive feedback from the industry, and to send students in the industry, you need them to be ready, industry ready, as we say. So we are organizing conferences where we are calling industry to the Bennett. Rather than sending our students to the industry, we are calling the industry to the Bennett, calling people from around the world. Actually, we have, in our recent conference, we had industry people from Reliance Industry, Yashraj Films, Ad Factors PR, McCann, Ogilvy, as I said, and other Hindustan Times, Times of India. So yeah, it gives you a snapshot of what kind of companies we are dealing with and what kind of companies our students are going in.
So, talking about the placements, as media students, it is very important for us to get on field experience. So yeah, the curriculum is designed in a way that students are given a specific period of 6 months to get the industry exposure and to work on ground, make connections, and look for more opportunities in future.
So we can say that कि ना ये कोर्स मास जर्नलिज्म एंड मास कम्युनिकेशन इज बेस्ट इन Bennett यूनिवर्सिटी, वी कैन से इट, क्योंकि ये टाइम्स ग्रुप का कॉलेज है. अब ना मुझे एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि ना इसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स बता दो इस यूनिवर्सिटी में ये कोर्स परस्यू करने के लिए.
Of course, as you said that Times Group है तो legacy है उसके साथ. But as Simma mentioned in her last answer that the rigorous course framework of the course, whether you get the journalism, the mass communication, our professors are well trained and they are the industry experts. They come from industry and they provide the actual insights about the industry. So that's the very unique point about that, because in any other university there are professors, but we get the real industry experts. We get multiple guest lectures, master classes, often from the industry experts itself. We attend CEO master classes, exclusives, and many more sessions like that. So yeah, that's the most pro point about our university.
I think a very big pro is that even though we are journalism students and communication students, we are trained in every aspect of media, whether it's journalism, writing, filmmaking. Like, even though we do not have an interest in that, we are asked to train it because they know, the people who set the curriculum know that eventually, somewhere along the way, we will require those skills. So I think it's a very big pro. And diverse kind of students with diverse interests can get the opportunity and the platform to showcase their skills. So that's a very big pro for me. Uh, I don't think I see a very apparent con except nitty gritties, but आई थिंक एज अ स्टूडेंट आई सी अ कॉन इज कि बहुत बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन आई गो इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑल द internships that I have done thanks to the TSOM, actually the I am competing out there with MBAs, not just undergraduates, and they are amazed to see that I already know that, and because कि मैं इतना काम कर चुका हूँ बेनेट में, so I think it's a con to some students, but I think I see it as a pro.
So talking about the curriculum, as I said कि काम बहुत करना पड़ता है, but I think that is the beauty of our course, that we have to rigorously work in this field because we are trained here to work, because जितना काम हम यहाँ कर रहे हैं उससे कई ज़्यादा हमें बाहर जाके करना पड़ेगा. So we are getting ready for that only. So I think journalism and mass communication at TSOM provides everything and anything that is related or not related to the industry.
I think personally for me, a con would be that I belong to Madhya Pradesh, Indore. So my home is very far from university, so I do feel very homesick here. But of course, it's all worth it when I get this kind of exposure and experience here. So yeah.
कोई बात नहीं सबको कॉलेज में ऐसा ही लगता है, हमें भी लगता था, ठीक है. लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ कहूँगी यार, इन बच्चों में ना बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट है. मैंने इससे पहले भी बहुत बच्चों से बात की बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी के, इनके मतलब इन्होंने अपना कोर्सेज़ के बारे में बताया, इन्होंने जो फेस करा है, लाइक जो इन्हें अच्छा लगा इस यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में, वो सारी चीज़ें आपको बताई गई है. और अगर अभी भी आपको डाउट है ना, तो नीचे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है, वहाँ पर जाकर आप कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो. नीचे कॉलेज का ऑफिशियल ब्राउचर है, वहाँ पर जाकर आप इस कोर्स के बारे में, जर्नलिज्म और मास कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में अच्छी तरह से डिटेल में पढ़ सकते हो. और ना अगर आपको ना बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी में आना है और बच्चों से बात करना है, फैसिलिटीज़ कैसी है यहाँ पर, ठीक है, और यहाँ के टीचर्स कैसे हैं, ठीक है, वो भी आप इस यूनिवर्सिटी में आकर जान सकते हैं, ठीक है. और ना थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच, ठीक है. और ना वीडियो को ना लाइक कर दो, क्योंकि ये स्क्रिप्टेड वीडियो था, नहीं था ना,
एकदम क्लास से बुलाया मैं तो.
क्योंकि देखो इतने फनी स्टूडेंट है, इतने अच्छे स्टूडेंट है, ठीक है. तो वीडियो को लाइक करो और यार चैनल को ना सब्सक्राइब करो, ठीक है, ऐसी और इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.